Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos, another unbagging. What you see in front of you is an Osprey backpack. The Osprey bags are my favorites for hiking right now. I used to hike with very heavy bags with a lot of camera gear, and I realized I'm not as young as I used to be, which means I need to carry a little bit less. Osprey backpacks have allowed me to do that. This is the Osprey Talon, it's 11 liter, and I'm gonna do an unbagging. First thing I'm going to do is take my time because someone made a comment that I was ripping the bags open. Maybe a little bit too forceful? I don't know. So with that, I'll remove the bag, save it, and throw it for recycle. All right, let's look at it from the get-go. First thing we see is the front itself. It's got what are you gonna call it? Lattice straps, so you can put something in here, maybe a jacket, maybe a hoodie or something like that. It has a helmet holder if you're doing biking. It's got a retainer here for your hiking poles, and I'll explain more when I get to that. It's got a very large water pouch on the side, and another water pouch on the side. Interesting. And then, of course, we get to the back itself. And it's got what they call that airscape venting system. Very comfortable. It allows your back not to get that sweaty. The straps have some cushioning, not much, but enough for what it's going to carry. Again, this was an 11 liter bag. And then again, going back to the straps, the hiking sticks, you put sticks on one end here and on the opposite end here. And that way you can hike with the poles on your side and use them only when you need to. And these can be adjusted, as you can see here, by these straps right here. You can loosen them so it allows it to go up, or you can tighten them up to bring them down. Just like that. And then tighten it up so it doesn't move. And the same thing on this side, you have the same straps right there. And then of course we'll look in the inside. It's got a place for a water reservoir. Place it in here. A place to put your keys and maybe some snacks and something like that. So this is the Osprey Talon 11 liter. Weighs about 2.5 pounds. Not bad. I'm going hiking this weekend, so I'm definitely going to use it this weekend. So this is a quick unbagging. I'm going to actually start reviewing some of this stuff after I've used it or hiked with it for a while. So please subscribe, like, and follow, and see more of my adventures. Thanks for stopping by. See ya. Bye.